Good afternoon, everyone. This is teacher Shubhangi, and we are going to learn about practice set 36 of chapter number 3. That is, op that is algebraic expressions and operation on them. Okay? Now, the question one is simplify 3x minus 11y minus 17x plus 13y. Choose the right answer. That we have discussed it in the previous, but still I will share my whiteboard with, I'll see you how to solve it. Okay. So the question is 3x minus 11y. See, 3x minus 11y. Okay. Minus 17x plus 13y. Okay. So here we'll write it as it is first expression. Our first expression is what? 3x minus 11y. So our first expression is 3x minus what? 11y. Our first expression is 3x minus 11y. And our second expression is what? Minus 17x. Okay. Our second expression is 17x plus 13y. Okay. We have already done this sum, but if any of the student has been absent, so please pay attention. Okay. So 3x minus 11y is the, we will solve this by vertical method. Okay. So horizontal method also you can solve it, but if you feel any difficulty about it, you can solve it by vertical method. 3x minus 11y minus 17x plus 13y. This is the second expression, right? Now, while doing subtraction, what we do? Okay, when we do the subtraction, wait a minute, students. So what we does, actually, we will change the lower number, right? So यहाँ पे plus 17x है, तो we will take it as minus. Here also plus sign is there, we'll take it as minus. Okay, why we changed the sign? Because we do subtraction. When we do addition, we are not supposed to change the sign of this lower expression or second expression. When subtraction is there, then only we change the sign of second expression. Clear, everyone? When we do subtraction, then only we change the sign of second expression. If we not do subtraction, if we do addition, then we are not supposed to change the sign of second expression. Now minus क्या होता है? Plus. So 11 plus 13 क्या होगा? 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 2. And minus plus होता है. When we do addition and subtraction, माइनस प्लस होता है, बट वी गिव द साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर. दैट इज 13 के आगे माइनस है तो हम माइनस ही लिखेंगे. एंड वाई रिमेन एज इट इज. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ हियर प्लस माइनस क्या होता है? माइनस. ओके, तो 17 माइनस 3 इज व्हाट? 14. ओके, एक्स रिमेन एज इट इज. नाउ प्लस माइनस माइनस होता है एंड वी गिव द साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर. व्हाट इज द बिगर नंबर हियर? 3 और 17. तो 17 के आगे कौन सा साइन है? माइनस. give here minus sign. So what the answer is? Minus 14x minus 24y. Okay, but here in the option minus 14x and minus 24y answer दिया ही नहीं है. So what we will do? 14 is there in 2 table and 24 is also there in, right? अगर हम 2 का टेबल देखते हैं तो 2 के टेबल में 14 भी है और 24 भी 2 से डिवाइड होता है. तो we will take minus 2 as common. Okay, if we take minus 2 as common, तो यहाँ ये 14 में से 2 चला गया है तो क्या बचा? 2 7 जा 14. माइनस साइन भी उसने ले लिया, माइनस साइन भी हमने कॉमन ले लिया और 2 भी हमने कॉमन ले लिया, तो क्या बचा? 2 7 जा 14 मीन्स 7x. ओके, यहाँ का भी माइनस साइन चला गया है तो यहाँ पे क्या बचा? प्लस साइन. ये 24 का जो माइनस साइन है ना, वो हमने कॉमन में ले लिया है. तो अगर ये माइनस साइन चला गया तो 20 के पास क्या साइन बचेगा? कुछ भी नहीं मतलब प्लस. ओके, नाउ 2 भी 24 से चला गया है मतलब 12 2 जा 2 and here it will take y. Okay, so answer is what? Minus 2 get common, then 2 7s are 14 means 7x, minus we have taken common, so here it will come plus sign, then 2 12s are 24y. So here what the answer is? Minus 2 in bracket 7x plus 12y. So why we have taken here minus 2? When we take minus 2 as common, why we write here 7? Because 2 sevens are 14, and here bracket, what bracket represent? Bracket represent multiplication product form. ठीक है, bracket represent multiplication, and here our value, we are not changing our value. See, minus 2 get common, and here if minus we have taken common, no sign is there. That's why we have written here plus 7x, because 2 sevens are 14x. Again here minus sign taken as common. So what is left? Only plus sign. So 2 12s are 24. So what the answer is? Minus in bracket 7x plus 12y. 7x plus 12y. So the answer is minus 2 in bracket 7x plus 12y. So the answer is minus 2 in bracket 7x plus 12y. Okay. Everyone understood this? Yes, minus 2, 7x plus 12y. So the option is what? Simplify 3x minus 11y minus 17x plus 13y. So the option E, that is minus 2 get common, and 7x plus 12y is the right answer. Yes, clear everyone? Okay. Okay. So are you saying yes, teacher? Sai, Sai, please pay attention, beta, because this is the third or fourth time I am repeating the sum. Only what you have to do, just change the sign of second expression, and what the answer you get, you can write here. Only you have take, only you want to see which number by which number we can take. We can take, if we take 2 as common, तो 2 sevens are 14, 2 12s are 24. तो यहाँ पे जो उसका multiplication होगा वो आ जाएगा. तो 2 sevens are 14 and 2 12s are 24. Clear, Sai? Yes? Okay? Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. Now let's clear this. Okay? Now question number 2, the product of, whenever the product is there, okay, whenever the product is there, product term is there. Product means what? Multiplication. The product of 23x square, for example, here 23, what the answer is? 23x square, then y cube, 23x square y cube, z, 23x square y cube z. Product of means we have to do multiplication. So 23x square y cube z into what? minus 15. minus 15 हमने यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट क्यों लिया है? बिकॉज साइन के बाजू में साइन हम लोग नहीं लिख सकते, तो हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? ब्रैकेट लेंगे. बिकॉज ऑलरेडी मल्टीप्लीकेशन का साइन है. 23x square y cube z into minus 15 x cube, minus 15 x cube y and z square. Okay, y z square. Understood? So the product of, whenever the term product of is there, so what you are going to do? We are going to do multiplication. So 23x square y cube z, we have done subtraction sum. Now we are going to do multiplication sum. मल्टीप्लीकेशन के लिए मैंने क्या बोला है? फर्स्ट डू मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ नंबर्स. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन में हम क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे. तो व्हाट आर द नंबर्स? 23 एंड माइनस 15. तो 23 को 15 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. 23 इंटू 15. सो 45, 45 का 5, 4 get carry over. 15 2s are 30. 30 plus 4 is how much? 30 plus 4 is how much? 34. So the answer is what? 345. तो प्लस इंटू माइनस क्या होता है? माइनस, राइट? वेट अ मिनट स्टूडेंट्स. सो प्लस माइनस माइनस होता है. और आंसर इज 345. So 345. Plus into minus, plus minus क्या होता है? Minus. In multiplication, see, in addition and subtraction, we consider the sign of bigger number, है ना? Addition. Please keep in mind this plus minus. When we do addition and subtraction, we consider the sign of bigger number. But in case of multiplication, we do not consider the sign of bigger number. We only follow the rule. Plus into minus, minus, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग minus ही लिखेंगे. We are not supposed to take 23 तो bigger है, तो 23 के आगे plus sign है, तो यहाँ पे तो plus sign आना चाहिए. No. Why? Because in multiplication we never consider the sign of bigger number. In addition and subtraction we consider the sign of bigger number. ठीक है, रूल सेम ही है दोनों के लिए, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए. बट addition and subtraction we only consider the sign of bigger number. In multiplication plus minus minus ही होता है, plus into minus is, but we consider the sign, we do not consider the sign of bigger number. So 23 into 15 is 345 plus into minus minus. Now what are the similar terms? X square cube. तो 2 x के पास 2 है और 3 है, 2 plus 3 is what? 5. y के पास कितना y है? ये 3y और यहाँ पे एक 1 मीन्स 3 plus 1 how much? 4. z के पास कितना z है? यहाँ पे 1 और यहाँ पे 2 मतलब कितना z है? 3. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? 3. So what the answer is? Minus 345 x cube, sorry, x raised to 5, y raised to 4 and z raised. Clear everyone? In this, sorry, in this first we multiply the number. In multiplication first do the multiplication number and then variables. So 23 into minus 15 is minus 345. Then x के पास 2 है and यहाँ पे 3. कितने x है टोटल? 2 plus 3 5. कितने y है टोटल? 3 plus 1 4. कितने z है टोटल? z 2 plus 1 3. So the answer is minus 345 x raised to 5 y raised to 4 z raised to. This is our answer. Yes, let me see your chat box first. Yes, very easy. Yes, everyone is saying, teacher, it's very easy. Yes, very easy sums. You are very talented, very smart students. Now that's why you feel the sums are very easy. Okay. Okay. Now let's take another example. Solve the following equation, that is question number 3. Now question number 1 is done. Question number 2 is done. Let's move for question number 3. Okay. Okay. Now let's move for question number 3. Okay. So the question is 10 is equal to 2y plus 5. 10 is equal to what? 2y plus 5. Here 10 is equal to 2y plus 5. 10 is equal to what? 2y plus 5. 10 is equal to 2y plus 5. Okay. Now before that also, if you remember, I told you how to solve the value of variables. यहाँ पे हमको variable का value निकालना है. Solve the following equation. Whenever we solve the equation, we have to find the value of variable. That is x, y, z. Whatever the variable is given, that we have to find the value. Okay. Now 10 is equal to 2y plus 5. Okay. Now to find the value of y, we don't want this 5 with 2y because we have to find the value of y, no? तो पहले हम 5 को निकालेंगे, फिर उसके बाद 2 को निकालेंगे, ठीक है? Now 2y, 10 is equal to 2y plus 5. So now we don't want this 5 with 2y. So what we will do with this 5? अभी हम ये 5 हमको नहीं चाहिए, हम यहाँ ये इसको कहाँ पे लेके जाएंगे? तो we will write 10 as it is. If we don't want this 5 with 2y, we will shift this 5 to this side. ठीक है? Equal to का जो ये left hand side है, वहां पे हम ये 5 को shift करेंगे. But when we shift that 5 to this side, the sign will get changed. 5 है तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? -5. Again, I repeat this. Everyone, please pay attention. 10 is equal to 2y plus 5. Now, we don't want this 5 with 2y because we have to find the value of y. So that we will shift this 5 to this side. When we shift this 5 to this side, plus 5 will get converted into minus 5. Is equal to sign will remain as it is and 2y also remain as बिकॉज हमने ये 5 को ये साइड में भेज दिया है तो हमारे पास अभी ये 5 नहीं है सो ये +5 अगर ये साइड में जाता है तो वो क्या हो जाएगा -5 नाउ 10 - 5 इज व्हाट 5 which is equal to what 2y again we don't want this 2 with y अभी हमको ये 2 नहीं चाहिए y के साथ why because we have to find the value of y only. So to find the value of y, again this 2 will goes to this side, okay? पर 2 के पास प्लस माइनस साइन नहीं है, ये y को जो है वो क्या है मल्टीप्लाई है ना 2y मीन्स 2 into y. तो ये अगर ये साइड में जाएगा तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन का साइन किस में हो जाएगा डिवाइड में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा एंड वी गॉट द आंसर इज 5/2. y is equal to 5/2. I'll repeat this again. Everyone, please pay attention. Okay. Okay. Now see 10 is equal to 2y plus 5. Please pay attention everyone. 10 is equal to 2y plus 5. Wait a minute student. Please wait a minute. Excuse me for that. Okay. Now 10 is equal to 2y plus 5. Okay. So if we don't want this 5 with 2y, right? Because we have to find the value of 2y. Okay. Now we don't want, if we don't want this 5 with this side, we will shift this 5 to this side. Okay. And when we shift this 5 to this side, plus 5 get converted into -5, which is equal to 2y. That will remain as it is. Now 10 minus 5 is how much? Is equal to sign remain as it is, 2y remain as it is. Now again, अगर ये हमारा टर्म 2y है या फिर 3y है या फिर 4y 5y whatever it is, if no sign is there in between these two, that means what they are multiplying to each other. 3y means 3 into y, 2y means what 2 into y. ठीक है. Now this 2y means what 2 into y. Now if we don't want this 2 again with this y because we have to find the value of y, right? So this 2 get shifted to left hand side, okay? Because we don't want this 2. So multiplication का sign किसमें change हो जाएगा divide में. So the answer is 5 divided by 2 means 5/2 is equal to y. Yes, clear everyone? I hope everyone is clear regarding this. Okay. Okay. Each and every sum. Wait a minute, student. Okay. I hope this doubt has been cleared. Okay. Now the next sum is 6x minus 1, 3x plus 8. Okay. 6x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 8. ठीक है 3x plus 8. Now what we are going to do is we will take this 3x to this side and 1 to this side. तो हम क्या करेंगे 6x will remain as it is as we have to find the value of x. तो हम x की टर्म पास करेंगे और नंबर दूसरे साइड में लेंगे. ठीक है. Now this 3x we want to left hand side. अगर ये वाले साइड से हमको 3x ये वाले साइड में चाहिए then the sign of this 3x will get change. तो plus 3x का क्या हो जाएगा -3x, right? प्लस 3x का क्या हो जाएगा -3x. Why? Because we have shifted this 3x to this side, no? तो plus 3x will get converted into -3x is equal to sign remain as it is. ये +8 जैसे कि वैसा ये वाले साइड में रहेगा. Now we will shift this -1 to this side. तो ये -1 का क्या हो जाएगा +1. See, maths is a trick, है ना? हम उसको कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं ये हमारे ऊपर डिपेंड है. अभी हमको x का वैल्यू निकालना है, राइट? We have to find the value of x. So what we are going to do? We will take xx terms to one side and number to another side. So if we want to take this 3x to left hand side, plus 3x get converted into -3x. If we want to take this -1 to this side, so -1 will get converted into +1. और उनके साइड में वो जो टर्म है वो as it is ही रहेंगे. So 6x will remain as it is. Plus 3x will get converted into -3x is equal to +8 -1 get converted into +1. Now 6x minus 3x क्या होगा? 6 में से 3 गया कितना बचा? 3x. And 8 plus 1 is what? 9. Okay, now we don't want this 3 with x. So what we are going to do with 3? Let me know in chat box. I don't want this 3 with x because I have to find the value of x. So what I'm going to do with this 3? Let me know in chat box. Let me know in chat box. I don't want this 3 with x. So what I'm going to do? Shift to right hand side. Very good. We will shift this 3 to right hand side, right? We will shift this 3 to right hand side. So will remain as it is and we will shift this 3 to right hand side. So क्या होगा 3 के साथ वो right hand side जाएगा तो 9 will get 3x को मल्टीप्लाई है अगर ये साइड में जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा डिवाइड. So x is equal to क्या होगा फिर 3 3s are 9 तो x is equal to what 3. So this is our answer. X is equal to 3. ठीक है because 9 को 3 से डिवीजन होता है 3 3s are 9 तो आंसर इज व्हाट 3 ओनली. 3 1s are 3 3 3s are 9 है ना. 9 में 9 जो है वो डिवाइड होता है 3 से. So 3 1s are 3 3 3s are 9. So the answer is what 3. समझ में आया? Everyone understood this? Yes. Equal to 3. Correct. X is equal to 3. Everyone understood this? Yes. ओनली शिफ्टिंग हैज टू बी प्रॉपर, है ना. ये जो शिफ्टिंग होता है वो प्रॉपरली होना चाहिए. सी 6x minus 3x is equal to 3x. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now we don't want this 3 with x, so it should be shifted to right hand side. So when we shift this 3 to right hand side, its sign get changed. Right? Means if 3 get multiplied to x, when we shift this 3 to right hand side, it will get divided. Now 9 by 3 means 9 divided by 3 is equal to what? 3. So x is equal to what? 3. So 3 is our answer. Understood everyone? Understood properly? Any doubt regarding this? Yes? No. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much everyone. Now let's move for another sum. Okay. Now another sum is question number 4. Okay, let me clear my drawing. So question number 4 is Rakesh age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. The sum of their ages is 27 years. How old are they? See, these sums are very, very, very important. Question number 4, question number 5 is very, very important. Huh? Please make a note of it in your textbook that these sums are very important. Okay. And now pay attention everyone. Don't do chatting. Okay. Okay. Now here, the question is, Rakesh age is less than Sania's age. Rakesh age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. So the sum of their ages is 27 years. How old are they? Okay. So Rakesh age is लेस देन सानिया एज, राकेश का जो एज है वो सानिया की एज से कम है. कितना ईयर्स कम है? 5 years कम है. तो व्हेन द कंपैरिजन इज देयर, तो वी विल कंसीडर Rakesh age is less than Sania's age. Okay, so let the Rakesh age be x year. हम राकेश का एज जो है वो x years कंसीडर करेंगे. Okay, and Sania's age is, see Rakesh age is less than Sania's age by 5 year है ना. राकेश का एज कम है सानिया के एज से by 5 years. तो मतलब सानिया का एज क्या हो गया? 5 years सानिया बड़ी है किससे? राकेश से. ठीक है ना. आपका आपका एज और आपके ब्रदर और सिस्टर का एज, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप बड़े हो 5 years से. ठीक है. किससे? आपके छोटे सिस्टर और ब्रदर से. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो योर एज विल बी व्हाट? x plus 5 years than your sisters or brothers age. So your sisters or brothers age would be x. If your sisters or brothers age would be x, then yours age would be what? x plus 5. आप उससे बड़े हो मतलब x plus 5 years. So here what the condition is, Rakesh age is less than Sania's age. So Rakesh age is for example x. So Sania's age be what? +5. वो बड़ी है किससे? राकेश से. कितने ईयर से? 5 years से. So Rakesh age be x years and Sania's age be x plus 5 years. ठीक है. Now the next condition is what? First condition is about age. Okay, Rakesh age is less than Sania's age by 5 years. If Rakesh age is x, so Sania उससे 5 years बड़ी है, राकेश उससे सानिया से 5 years छोटा है. ठीक है. तो राकेश अगर x है तो सानिया जो है वो कितनी years की है? x plus 5 years. Second condition is what? The sum of their ages is 27 years. So according to the given condition, क्या है sum of their ages? If one of the age is x, राकेश एज इज x, sum of their ages. तो राकेश का एज जो है वो x है और सानिया का जो एज है वो x plus 5 है, is equal to what? 27. Sum of their ages is equal to what? 27. If Rakesh age x, sum of their, as per the condition, sum of their ages x plus what? 5. Sum of their ages is equal to what? Is equal to what? 27. Sum of their ages is equal to what? 27 years. Now first add the variable x plus x is equal to what? 2x plus 5 remain as it is equal to what? 27. Okay, x plus x is 2x plus 5 will remain as it is equal to 27. Now this 2x remain as it is. Okay, now we don't want this 5 with this 2x. So we will shift this 5 to right hand side. Now 27 will remain as it is and plus 5 will get converted into what? Now this 2x is again remain as it is and 27 minus 5 is equal to what? 22. Now again this we don't want 2 with x. So x is equal to, ये 2 we will shift to this side. So multiplying 2 will get converted into what? Divided by 2. So if we divide this 22 by 2, we will get the answer is 11 because 11 2s are 22. So what? X is equal to what? 22 years. X, sorry. X is equal to what? 11 years, right? X is equal to what? 11 years. And Sania का age क्या है? X plus 5. So 11 plus 5 is equal to what? 11. X का वैल्यू हम पुट अप करेंगे. X का वैल्यू कितना आया? 11. 11 plus 5 is equal to what? 16. So Rakesh is 11 years old and Sania is what? 16 years old. राकेश जो है वो 11 years का है और सानिया कितने years की है? 16. I hope you understood this because I have made your doubt clear. Okay, very clearly and properly. Yes, I will repeat this again. Okay, please pay attention everyone. Okay, others are saying we understood this except Shubhi. Shubhi is saying I don't understand. Please explain. I am getting confused. Okay. And other students are saying, teacher, we understood it properly. Okay, no doubt. Okay. So it is so easy. Others are saying. Okay. So I am repeating this again. Please pay attention. Rakesh is 5 years smaller than, less than Sania's age. So Rakesh age, if Rakesh is X years old, so Sania is X plus 5 years old, because Sania is bigger than 5 years than Rakesh. Okay. Now, as per the condition, as per the given condition, ये आपको लिखना है. First your statement is, let the Rakesh age be X years, Sania's age be X plus 5 years. According to the given condition, X plus 5 equal to 27. Why? Because they have given sum of their ages equal to 27. Now, X plus X is what? 2X plus 5 is equal to 20. Now we don't want this 5 with this 2x. So this 5 will get shifted to this side. So 2x is equal to 27 plus 5 का minus 5 हो जाएगा. Now minus 5 is equal to 22. Now x is equal to 22 by 2 means 11. Now Sania's age is equal to x plus 5 means 7 plus 5 is equal to what? 16 years. Therefore, the ages of Rakesh and Sania are 11 years and 16 years respectively. Yes, understood everyone now? Please let me know in chat box. Yes, understood everyone properly? Yes? Okay, thank you very much everyone. Thank you. Okay, let me share my drawing. Tanvi is asking, teacher, how you know the age is 27? अरे बाबा दिया है ना, the sum of their ages is 27. मैंने इसके लिए लिखा है यहाँ पे, as per the given condition, according to given condition, sum of their ages is equal to 27. So therefore, x plus x is 2x plus 5 equal to 27. 2x is equal to 27 minus 5. 2x is equal to 22. X is equal to 22 by 2 means 11. So Sania's age is 16 years and Rakesh's age is 11 years respectively. Yes. Okay. Now let's move for another question. Okay. That is question number 5. Okay. Now when planting a forest, the number of jambul trees planted was greater than the number of ashoka trees by 60. Okay. So jambul trees हम क्या लेंगे? X. जो भी पहले आता है ना वो उसको हम x कंसीडर करेंगे. जैसे राकेश को हमने x कंसीडर किया था, सानिया is x plus 5 किया था because she is bigger than 5 years than Rakesh. So when planting a forest, the number of jambul trees planted was greater than the number of ashoka trees. So jambul trees we consider it as x. Let the number of jambul trees planted be x. Number of ashoka trees is equal to, as per the condition, jambul trees planted was greater than ashoka trees. तो ashoka trees 60 trees से कम है, तो यहाँ पे x minus 60 आएगा. See, understand the question first. When planting a forest, the number of jambul trees planted was greater than the number of ashoka trees by 60. Means number of jambul trees planted was greater. Jambul trees were greater than number of ashoka trees. तो ashoka trees जो है वो less है than 60 by jambul trees. So if we consider jambul trees as x, तो ashoka trees is equal to what? X minus 60. Okay, x minus 60. Okay, so number of jambul trees planted is equal to x and number of ashoka trees planted is equal to x minus 60. Now as per the condition, if they are all together 200 trees of these two types, अगर दोनों को मिक्स करते हैं तो 200 टाइप के दोनों ट्रीज है. तो as per the condition, x plus x minus 60 is equal to 200. Now x plus x is how much? 2x. Now we don't want this 60 with 2x, so it will get shifted to this side. So minus 60 will be converted into plus 60. Now 2x is equal to 200 plus 60 is equal to what? 260. Now x is equal to 260 by 2 means what? 130. So 130 jambul trees were planted. Okay. Again I repeat this. Please pay attention. Let the number of jambul trees planted be x. क्योंकि जाम्बुल ट्री पहले हमने जाम्बुल ट्री पहले लिया, ठीक है. Planted was greater than the number of Ashoka trees. Jambul trees greater than Ashoka trees. Ashoka trees कम है 60. So that's why we will take a number of Ashoka trees equal to x minus 60 and jambul trees planted be x. Now according to the given condition, if they all together all plants are 200, तो x जो है वो जाम्बुल ट्रीज है प्लस x minus 60 जो है वो अशोका ट्रीज है is equal to 200. Now x plus x is what? 2 plus minus 60 will remain as it is equal to 200. Now we don't want this minus 60 with this 2x, so it will get shifted to right hand side and minus 60 will get converted into plus 60. Now 2x is equal to what? 200 plus 60 is equal to 260. Now x is equal to 260 by 2 is equal to 130. So total 130 jambul trees were planted out of 200. Clear everyone? Yes, I hope everyone clear this. Okay. Okay. Yes. Tanmay is saying I have solved it. Ashoka trees were 130. Jambul trees were 130 and Ashoka trees were 70. Yes. 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 Exactly. Yes. Very good. Okay. Now I hope everyone is clear regarding this. Okay. So that's all for today, children. Thank you very much.